Welcome back. Pydantic's power goes beyond simple type checking. In this lecture, we explore how to enforce specific constraints on values, such as ensuring an integer falls within a certain range or a string has a minimum length. This is achieved using Pydantic's built-in constraint types. 1. Constrained integer, conint. To ensure an integer field, like a rating, is within a specific boundary, we use conint. By setting gt equals 0 and le equals 10, we ensure the score must be greater than 0 and less than or equal to 10. If a number outside this range is provided, Pydantic immediately raises a validation error. 2. Constrained string, constr. For strings, the constr utility allows us to enforce rules like minimum and maximum length. Here, we set a min underscore length of 3. We also add strip underscore whitespace equals true, a powerful feature that cleans the string before validation, preventing users from submitting strings that are just spaces. 3. Testing constraints. We first confirm that valid data, like a score of 7, passes instantly. Then we test the boundaries. When we try to instantiate rating with a score of 11, Pydantic immediately checks the conint constraints, finds that it is not less than or equal to 10, and raises a precise validation error. Similarly, attempting to use a username that is too short triggers the constr error. To summarize, constraint types are vital for ensuring the quality of your data. Our next lecture 42.06, a commerce example. See you there.